Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to record and edit the best quality voice of the video. And here we will use this CapCut. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can start to install this CapCut here, and don't worry because CapCut can be also installed into your Android or the iOS phone, or even can be installed too from your PC or personal computer. And this is the look of the home page of this CapCut, and here I am accessing it with my Android phone, and I have also done the logged in or the sign up to get more chances to try this a lot of tools. And since it is about the how to record or adding the recording voice and also enhance the voice of the video, so it is pretty easy. You can start to select a picture from your gallery by clicking this new project. But since I have prepared the video before, then you can go to the project like this, or you can simply select a video, for example this one. And for example, the first thing you can add the recording instantly in this CapCut. How to do that? So you can click this add audio, this one or this one. And after that, you will find the button down here to record here. And after that, you can tap or press and hold to record like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can start to apply to it. One, two, three, four. Okay, that will be the recording that you can apply or put into this video. But let's say if you would like to enhance the the voice of this video, and for example the voice previously sound like this. As you can hear before, that there's something, let's say the noise behind this video, so you can actually easily to enhance the voice quality. So you can keep selecting this video, and after that you can slide to the left, and after that you will find the enhance voice here. You can simply click this, and as you can see that this enhanced voice automatically remove echoes, popping sound, mouth clicks, and also other noises, and enhance voices to studio quality. You can simply click got it, and you can activate this toggle. So this is the voice after activate this voice enhancer. But if you are the first timer to try this voice enhancer, so it might take maybe 1 minute, and after that the video and also the voice that has been enhanced is ready. So the output would be like this. As you can hear that the voice is quite pretty clear, and also there is not any noises behind, so it is ready. And also level up your video, and you can start to create a better video for your content. And you can start to export or save this video by clicking this export. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.